Hi, in this video we're going to show you a free extension you could use to have ChatGPT analyze YouTube videos and give you a summary and then also answer questions about that video. So it's called YouTube Summary with ChatGPT. So you can see it's available for several different browsers here. So all you have to do is click on the browser you want to use it with, in our case Chrome, and then just install it like any other extension. And then when you do so, since this is by Glasp, which is the company, they're going to want to get you to sign up to their website to use it, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. You can still use it without it. Alright, so we have this video here about cloning your Windows system drive. And now you can see we have our extension here. It'll also work with Claude if you have a Claude account. And if you go to Options, it shows you the different AI models you could use, the default setting here. And then, of course, if you're logged into your ChatGPT account, you could probably pick one of these different models depending on what kind of account you have. And then you could also use Gemini. And here's the setting for Claude. Alright, so we have this video here on how to clone your Windows system drive using Terabyte Image for Windows. Now that we have the extension installed, we have this little summarize video icon here. If we click on that, it'll open it up in ChatGPT, give you a quick transcript of the video right here at the top, and then a summary broken down into sections right here. Tells you what the video is about. And then while you're here, you can ask questions about it, such as, how much does the software cost? Right, so it went out to the website for terabyte drive image backup and found some information. Alright, so you can see here, it's not pulling the information from the video because right here it takes about 3 to 10 minutes. So we might have to reword it. And it actually gives you a little quote. Let's try another question. Does it wipe the destination drive? And right here it says a timestamp 2 minutes and 9 seconds. It tells you that all partitions on the secondary or destination drive will be lost, so say yes to that. And then it kind of tells you what it means there. How about another question? You can see this time it's searching the web. Alright, so as you can see, sometimes it'll take information from the video itself, from the transcript and the breakdown. Other times it'll go out to the web to get information. So you might have to specify by saying according to the video and then ask your question if it's not actually pulling information from the video. So that's kind of a downside to it, but it could be a good thing because you might get some additional information that is not included in the video when it goes out to the internet. Alright, so you can see it's a nice little tool if you want to get some information about a long video and not have to watch it. Or let's say you watched a video and you don't remember everything, you could get the summary here and then ask questions based on that video. Alright, so once again, just install the YouTube summary with ChatGPT and Claude. And then you'll have your little icon here in the video that you can click on. And then like I said too, you could go up to your extensions or the options. Let's say we change this to Gemini. And then you can see there's some other options here as well. If you want to customize your prompt for the summary, add some follow-up prompts automatically here, and some strategies for longer videos, equally sized chunks, start to limit, entire content. Alright, let's see if this will do it with Gemini now. All right, you can see it opened up the Gemini page here. So we have our breakdown again. Let's see if it answers from the video or not. How much is the software? So this pulled the information from the internet instead of the video. So now we have our information taken from the video. So it's going to do the same thing where it might go out to the internet or it might just take it from the transcript of the video. All right, so once again, just go download the YouTube summary with ChatGPT and Claude extension. And obviously it has Gemini and some other stuff too. You'll have your icon here and you'll be good to go. So I'll put a link in the description where you could download this and then you could try it out for yourself. And if you don't like it, all you need to do is come up to your extensions, click here, and remove it from Chrome or Edge or whatever browser you're using. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.